We are going to discuss some problems in this video. But if you can't understand this video, please watch our previous videos without scolding me. First one, how much of 6M KOH is required to make 1.5 mole KOH solution? How much of 6M KOH is required to make 1.5 mole KOH solution? Here we can use the formula of molarity. M equals N divided by V. Let's see the formula. M equals N divided by V. M molarity. Units of molarity are mole per liters. N number of moles of solute. V volume of solution in liters. The formula M equals N divided by V. Here we have been given molarity 6M. Molarity 6 mole per liters. Number of moles of solute 1.5 moles. Now we know M and N. Now we have to find V. But the problem is volume V is the denominator. In this way we can't solve this problem. Therefore we have to rearrange this formula in this way. M times V equals N. M times V equals N. Now you can see M and V on the left hand side. But we need to keep V alone on the left hand side of the formula. Therefore, we should divide both sides of the formula by M. M divided by M equals N divided by M. On the left hand side, we can cancel out M. Now we have left only V on the left hand side. Now we have left only V on the left hand side. Now we can substitute values to formula N 1.5 M 6. Volume V equals 1.5 moles divided by 6 mole per liters. Units of molarity are mole per liters. We can cancel out mole. Our answer is volume 0.25 liters. Now let's go to the next problem. What is the molarity of a solution prepared from 6.75 grams sodium chloride dissolved in water to make a total volume of 450 milliliters sodium chloride solution? Molar mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 grams. That means 1 mole of sodium chloride weighs 58.5 grams. Here also we can use the formula M equals N divided by V, but we have been given 6.75 grams of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is solute here. Now we have to convert this 6.75 grams to mole. For that we have to divide this 6.75 grams of sodium chloride by the molar mass of sodium chloride 58.5. 6.75 grams sodium chloride divided by molar mass of sodium chloride 58.5 grams per mole. Then we get 0.115 mole sodium chloride. We converted to 6.75 grams sodium chloride to mole 0.115. We have been given volume in milliliters. We have to convert it to liters. 450 milliliters divided by 1000, we get 0.45 liters. Now we can substitute values. We have found the number of moles 0.115. We have found the volume in liters 0.45. M equals 0.115 mole divided by 0.45 liters. You can use your calculator. My calculator gives 0.25555 in that way. 3 decimal places are enough. We can write it 0.256. Last 5 we took as 6. 0.256 mole per liters. The molarity of the solution is 0.256 mole per liters. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Then you can get new videos as soon as they are released. There's another way to solve this problem, but it is not a special way. I have written everything in a straight line here. Using this method also you can get the same answer, 0.256 mole per liters. You can practice this method also slowly. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.